Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What is your frugal personality? Ready to find out? Let's get started. Question 1. When you receive a gift card, how do you use it? A. Spend it all right away on something you've been eyeing. B. Save it for when you really need something. C. Use it to buy essentials you would have purchased anyway. D. Try to sell or trade it for cash or a better deal. Question 2. How often do you eat out? A. Several times a week. I love dining out. B. Once or twice a week I balance eating out with cooking at home. C. Rarely I prefer to cook at home to save money. D. Almost never, I meal prep and pack my lunch to avoid eating out costs. Question 3. What's your go-to method for clothes shopping? A. I buy the latest trends as soon as they hit the stores. B. I shop during sales and use coupons. C. I buy second-hand or from thrift stores. D. I host or attend clothing swaps with friends. Alright, now let's move on to question 4. How do you handle grocery shopping? Options. A. I buy what I need when I need it, without much planning. B. I make a list and use coupons to save where I can. C. I plan meals around what's on sale and buy in bulk. D. I grow some of my own food and avoid impulse buys completely. Moving right along, question 5. How do you feel about DIY projects? Options. A. I'm not really into DIY, I prefer to buy things ready-made. B. I enjoy DIY for small, simple projects. C. I love DIY and try to make as much as I can myself. D. I'm a DIY master. If I can make it myself, I will. And finally, question 6. What's your approach to travel and vacations? Options. A. I splurge on vacations because it's my time to relax. B. I hunt for deals and discounts but still enjoy my trips. C. I choose budget-friendly destinations and activities. D. I prefer staycations or traveling off-season to save the most money. Alright, time to find out what type of frugal person you are. Count how many times you answered A, B, C, or D. Ready? Let's see where you fall. If you mostly answered A, you're a casual spender. Casual spenders enjoy life's luxuries and often prioritize convenience or pleasure over saving money. While they appreciate the importance of budgeting, they're more likely to splurge on items or experiences that bring them immediate satisfaction. This type of frugal personality isn't overly concerned with finding the absolute lowest price, but rather with enjoying their money in the moment. Strengths. Enjoys life and experiences without excessive worry about finances. Willing to spend on quality and convenience. Understands the value of treating oneself occasionally. Challenges. May struggle to build long-term savings. Could be prone to impulse purchases. Needs to be mindful of balancing spending with financial goals. Tips for improvement. Set aside a specific budget for splurges to avoid overspending. Focus on finding deals that allow for luxury experiences at a lower cost. Consider saving more consistently to create a financial cushion for future needs. If you mostly answered B, you're a smart saver. Personality overview. Smart savers are individuals who know how to enjoy the finer things in life without breaking the bank. They are adept at finding discounts, using coupons, and planning purchases to maximize savings. Smart savers strike a balance between spending and saving, ensuring they live comfortably while still working toward their financial goals. Strengths. Excellent at finding deals and discounts, balances enjoyment with practicality, manages to save money without feeling deprived. Challenges. May occasionally feel the tension between wanting to save and desiring higher quality items or experiences. Could benefit from being more strategic with long-term financial planning. Tips for improvement. Set clear savings goals and automate contributions to meet them. Continue finding ways to enjoy life while cutting unnecessary expenses. Explore investments or other financial strategies to grow savings further. If you mostly answered C, you're a thrifty planner. Personality overview. Thrifty planners are meticulous about managing their finances. They plan ahead, create detailed budgets, and prioritize saving money in almost every aspect of their lives. These individuals often opt for practicality over luxury and are skilled at making the most out of every dollar. They enjoy the challenge of living frugally and take pride in their ability to save. Strengths. Excellent at budgeting and financial planning. Finds satisfaction in saving money and living simply. Often has clear financial goals and works diligently toward them. Challenges. May sometimes feel restricted or miss out on spontaneous experiences due to strict budgeting. Can be overly cautious, potentially missing opportunities to enjoy life or invest in growth. Tips for improvement. Allow for occasional splurges within the budget to avoid feeling deprived. Reassess financial goals periodically to ensure they align with current life priorities. Explore ways to increase income, such as side hustles or investments, to balance savings with enjoyment. And if you mostly answered D, you're a frugal mastermind. Frugal masterminds have perfected the art of saving and are incredibly resourceful in stretching their money as far as possible. They prioritize sustainability, DIY projects, and finding the best possible deals. Frugal masterminds are often seen as experts in their circles and take pride in living well below their means. They are highly disciplined and motivated by long-term financial security. Strengths: exceptional at finding the best deals and making things last. Highly disciplined in budgeting and saving, often leads a sustainable and environmentally conscious lifestyle. Challenges: may struggle with enjoying the present moment due to a strong focus on saving. Could miss out on social or life experiences due to strict frugality. Needs to ensure that frugality doesn't turn into a source of stress or anxiety. Tips for improvement: balance extreme frugality with occasional indulgences to maintain happiness and well-being. Consider sharing your frugal knowledge with others, such as through blogging or teaching. Set aside a small portion of your budget for spontaneous fun or experiences that bring joy. Thanks for taking the quiz. Let me know in the comments which frugal personality you got. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And remember, living frugally doesn't mean missing out. It means making the most of what you have. See you next time.